Some jackass ran the car right through this building last week. I don't know what section he got. I say he, maybe it was a she. Somebody on Ozempic or cocaine or something. Let's see where it is.
Vegas IRL is delivering thousands of Las Vegas videos for your enjoyment. Please subscribe. It's 100% free. And do not forget to like.
The materials used to build this casino and the hotel were sourced from all over the world. I mean, all over the world, and it took a long time to build it. That's why it's so beautiful. That's why when a jackass runs his car through this wall, it's a whole lot bigger problem than it is if he did it at Walmart. They can have the Walmart looking exactly like it did when it was built by the next day. I mean, if they wanted to. If it was a entrance that mattered, they'd have it fixed in one day. They're not going to fix this in one day. First, let's go see where it is. I don't know where it is. Look at this bar. It's incredible. That's solid marble and brass. I have the brass pig back there. Those fans, everything is unique in here. And they got the table games going because it's the weekend. It's Saturday. Saturday and Sunday brunch, 8 to 2, $23.99 if you have the card. Now this is brunch. chicken looks absolutely delicious. That's the thing to get. Just eat your ass off with fried chicken. And then come and get 8 of these pies right here. That's cake, not pie. Or is it? It might be pie. No, it's pie. Pie or square, and that's not square. I don't know. I think it's pie. And then you put a bunch of these cookies in your pocket. If you wear cargo pants, you have a lot of pockets. I'm just saying. Do not put pudding in your pocket. I did that once before. It was a mess. Yeah, I'd say the best thing in there is the fried chicken. It looked really good. It looked like Southern fried chicken. Check out the ceiling in here. $10. Table games are open Friday through Sunday, 9 to 1 a.m. The same owners as the California, so you can walk over there when this is not working. 15. $10 is the lowest minimum on the table games. Look at these balconies. If you could get up there, you could live up there. They wouldn't know for years. I don't know if they have a bathroom up there, but you know, you gotta make do. Still don't see where that sumbitch ran into this place. Maybe it was at the hotel. This is very weird. I can't see it. Surely they haven't fixed it. No, it just happened last week. Look at that. Draft root beer. Have you ever had draft root beer? If you try it just once, you'll be here. You'll cancel your trip back. And you'll be in here every day begging for it before they even open. That's exactly what they want you to do. Just gonna give you a taste. The free taste. Just go in here and ask for a free taste. And then a guy will come out rubbing his nose with powder all over it and say, here, just taste it. Just taste it once. And you'll be hooked. benches. You couldn't make that bench again today if your life depended on it.
I appreciate it. Yeah, I did yesterday.
How about that letterbox? That's what the British call it, letterbox. It's a letterbox. We call it a mailbox. See how beautiful all the woodwork is? Really incredible. I'd take you inside the bathroom, but that's kind of edgy these days. Okay, here's where he ran into it right here. Ooh, he came right through the front. Well, it doesn't look like a lot of damage. The damn car was all the way through the wall. So, okay, that's the hotel. Well, that's not the hotel. The hotel is above us. But that's part of Main Street right here. Banquet rooms and stuff like that. Well, that doesn't look like, no, that's not where he ran through. No, because his car wouldn't have gone up there. Maybe I gotta walk all the way around the other side of this place. Alright. Let's look at this caboose while we're at it. How about that rail car right there? You don't see that too often. Church Street Station Railroad. You know why it's Church Street Station? Because that was his Orlando business before he bought this. Church Street Station, downtown Orlando. Before that, it was Pensacola, Florida, and it was Seville Quarter. And now you know. I walked around this whole building and cannot find where the car penetrated the building. I asked the security guard, he pointed way to this side, and somehow they have got it. He said it won't be fixed for a long time because of materials, just like I thought. But I don't even see it. I don't even see it. It's crazy. Here's another story. Some guy was running through this parking lot. He jumped that fence and got hit by a train. And his family is suing Main Street Station because they caused it. Because I'm not sure what their justification is, but for some reason it's not the man's fault. It's someone else's fault, which is always the case. Okay, I finally found it. Here it is. That just blended in. They are so good at hiding things like that. You just walk right by that and not even paying attention because they match the color of the stucco over there. That beige color they got with this particle board or whatever it is. Oh, it's plywood. They just match the paint. Brilliant. Door still works? Yep. No problem. Come on, drive in.